Time to make the donuts. Wait, hold on. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's go on back to the beginning. In the beginning. No, not that far. Hey guys, I'm Twyla, the Tipsy Gypsy, and welcome to my vlog. Jazz hands. Excuse me. Pardon. Excuse me. I just like my drinks tasty. All right, so basically I just wanted to do a quick, or as quick as I can do, because I can be long-winded, a quick introduction as to who I am and what this is all about. I am a self-published author who writes a romantica, romance with a little bit of erotic flair, and I love to travel. I've been doing it off and on for the last 10 years, and so I want to do more of it. And basically what makes this vlog different than any of the other travel vlogs you might come across is that there's a couple things I want to focus on. Round, brown, and abroad. Get it? Abroad. Living abroad, and I am abroad. And as well as age. Many of the travel bloggers and vloggers that I see out there are often Caucasian, almost always slender, at least that I've seen, and young. As well as oftentimes they're traveling with a male counterpart. A lot of them are couples who are traveling abroad. It's just me. Basically, I am round, fluffy, brown, and I am 39 years old, and on this journey will be turning 40. This vlog can be for anyone who's interested in traveling. Just know that if you're round, brown, and abroad, as well as an older lady, a distinguished lady, that this will be the vlog for you. I'll be focusing on our experience. Now, I know many black women, there's kind of a movement going on across the country where we're starting to travel. We're starting to say, screw it, I'm gonna travel, I do what I want. Well, but I know that there's still a large group of women who are afraid, who either don't want to travel at all or don't want to travel certain regions. And basically I'm here to travel some regions that maybe people didn't think about, and you can see how it goes for me. The title, Tipsy Gypsy, I like to travel because I love to move from place to place to place to place, searching for my forever home. I'm basically stepping out on faith, going with very little funds, balls to the wall. And the tipsy part, well, it's going to be a vlog also, not just you following me on my day-to-day happenstances as I make my way around different countries, but also me giving tips as to how I'm doing this. And then also because I like my beverages. One second. Just let me cut in here. I am myself, Twyla, about a week or two in the future, realizing as I'm editing this that I kind of didn't even explain what I'm doing here. As I sit and talk to the camera, you know, a week or two ago, my goal is to start off my travel vlog and journey in Scotland, where I hope to find a place to live for 6 months. And now you'll just have to wait and see if I was successful and how I went about doing it if I was. Anyway, alright, back to your scheduled programming. And one of the other reasons why I'm doing this is because the last book I wrote, His Muse, the main character's story was kind of inspired by my dream of starting over and living abroad again. And while writing her story, I became inspired by her to finally take the leap. And so here I am, I'm doing it, super crazy style. And speaking of my readers, I just want to put your minds at ease. I do not plan on stopping writing altogether, maybe slowing down. I hope to be able to do both at the same time. Do this vlog, travel around the world, and write. I'm hoping that being in these amazing places will inspire me more, because I've been kind of tapped out. My mojo is gone, and I hope to get it back. And there it is, the basics. I'll be back with some more videos on the hows and whys. Why I'm traveling, why Scotland, and how I did it. Alright, so if you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those two down below and I will try to reply, or I'll create a video based on whatever the subject matter is. And if you want to follow me along on this crazy journey, Go on ahead and hit subscribe below. Stay tipsy, my friends.